Everyone, today I want to show you I have Vauxhall Insignia, and the common problem is in the body control module BCM. That's the BCM. You can see this type of black box is under there, and sometime is downside where is the heater matrix, and the water go inside, and that's why no communication, and all the lights is coming on the, and the car is playing like power steering not working and boots not opening, hazard lights flashing like that. So if you have the problem of this type of things, the problem is in the module, so you will bring the old one and you can get the new one all second hand. We can program it ready in 1 hour, so you can contact any time. We can program if you bring the unit only, just so we can do it that bits. So you can contact me only just we are in Hounslow near Heathrow. So my postcode is Tango Whiskey 33 Tango Tango 171 Henworth Road, and my name is Terry, and my phone number is 07402536382. So bring the car anytime, we can sort it out for you. And you can see my other videos. We repair all type of ECU, airbag, crash data resets, and transmission ECU. You have any question, just call me without any hesitation, so we will come back to you. Okay, thank you, take care, bye.